Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the Deluxe GeoMetrix Connector Kit. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. Now I have just one of the many different connector kits that are available, but they all assemble almost exactly the same, just depending on how many shelves or how many graphics or how many different geos you have to put together. So first thing I'm going to do is identify the light clips on my two geos. And you want to make sure that the light clips are at the top. So I have both light clips here at the top of my display. So now I'm going to open my display and I pop it all the way up. And once I have it in standing position, I'm just going to connect together the locking clips. Now that I have both my Deluxe Geo set up, I have to identify where my end panels are going to attach. So on the configuration I have, both end panels are going to attach to the outside edges. So I'm going to lay down both displays, and I'm going to attach the end panels to the top of my display. So here I have my end panel, and I'm just going to attach it to the outside hubs on my display. So I'm going to slide both holes into the top. Once I have the top holes attached, I'm going to stand my geos back into standing position. And I'm going to begin to attach down my display. So I'm going to insert the holes on the graphic into the hubs on the side of my display. Now that I have all my end panels attached, I'm ready to connect the two displays together using the angled middle shelf. So to attach the shelf, we're going to place the short side forward and then using the notches connect to the display. So I'm going to start on the top, and I'm just going to connect the shelf on one side. And then I'm going to adjust my second display to connect to the shelf. Now that I have my first shelf attached, I'm going to repeat these same steps for my other angled shelf. Now that I have my angled shelves attached, I'm ready to insert the internal shelves onto my display. So for the internal shelves, I'm simply just going to lay them on my display. So you'll just line up the notches to the hardware and lay them on. And I'm going to repeat these steps for all my internal shelves. And it's just that easy to connect together your Deluxe GeoMetrix connector display.